So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to chat on Duet Dating App. So starting off, you should go to your Duet Dating App. So on there, you can get to setting up your profile. So if you want to chat, you first need to create a profile and get some mutual matches. So mutual matches is something that goes along like this. So you like someone's profile, they like your profile as well. So that means you've matched. You'll see the messages tab. So on here, you will see your messages sorted like this, and you can select your matches conversation, type your text, or send a GIF to start talking. So there's a couple different ways to chat on your Duet Dating app. First off, you can go to the settings to set those up. So once you've opened settings, you can see it's going to look something like this. You can see your account security, discovery settings, meetup preferences, icebreaker emoji as well. So if you click on this, it's going to say auto sends your icebreaker emoji if you match when you've liked your first. If they've liked you first, so you can just send that icebreaker emoji, something that's going to start a conversation or something that's just going to announce you that you want to talk to them. So you can start your chats like that. So set up your profile with photos, smart tags, voice prompts. So that's also really important that if you want to get matches, you will first need to set up your profile so you can attract those matches. So that's also important. So use good photos of yourself. You can also use some guidelines that Duet is going to provide for you. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duet or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.